This is our MTWML hook on high chair. Firstly, there is a tray inside the box and the packaging bag goes with the product manual together. After receiving our hook on chair, all you do is unsnap the fabric, grab one of the poles, and just insert it directly into the other pole through the fixing clip on the strap.
Attention!
Through the fixing clip on the strap. Once you hear the snap, you know it's ready to go. Repeat the process on the other side as well. The high chair can be installed on any table indoors or outdoors. All you do is just place it on the table and tighten the knob. Next, close the fabric snaps. Please, don't skip this step, make sure to button it up. Repeat the process on the other side as well. You will love the buckles designed in a way that a child cannot open them. Once you buckle the baby with the 5-point belt, he cannot go anywhere. This seat belt can also be used as a 3-point seat belt if you want. The tray was also super simple to install. Just grab the tray and place it directly onto the poles. Now your baby is ready to start eating. The high chair is soft, comfortable, sturdy, and safe. In addition, there's a back pocket that allows you to store any extras. And last but not least, I also love that it came with this cute go bag which allows you to bring it anywhere you know.